Hello everyone. Today's problem is detect capital. This problem is also a part of the August Lead Code challenge and it is a very easy problem. So let's get started. Given a word, you need to judge whether the usage of capitals in it is right or not. We define the usage of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases holds. All the letters in this word are capitals like USA. All the letters in this word are not capitals like Lead Code. Only the first letter in the word is capital like Google. So basically what this problem tells you is if the word that you are provided, if all the letters in it are capital, then you have to return true. If all the letters are in lowercase, then you also have to return true. And the third case is that if only the first alphabet is capital and rest of the alphabets are lowercase, then you have to return true. So if any of these three cases if any of these three cases are satisfied, you have to return true in that case. So let's get started with the problem. So first we'll declare a variable named count that will store the count of the capital letters in our string. So now we iterate over the string one by one and we count the number of capital letters in the string. So int I is equal to 0, I is less than word dot length, I plus plus. So our condition, we'll write a if condition that if whenever we encounter a capital letter, we just want to increase the value of count by 1. So if you are using Java, then there is an inbuilt method named character dot is uppercase, and inside the parenthesis you have to pass the character on which you have to test whether the character is capital or not. So if example I want to test whether this is capital or not, I'll just write the character C inside it. But in our case, we have to write the letters of the string word. So we write it like this: word dot char at I. If this condition is satisfied, then we have to increase the value of count by 1. So now we have the value of count. So now we want to check these three cases one by one. So let's go ahead with this. We'll write a if condition. Now we first check the first case, that if all the letters in this string are capital, then this the value of count would be equal to the length of the string provided to us. So to check that, we simply write count is double equal to word dot length. So this takes care of our first condition. So now we test the second condition, that is if all the letters in the word are lowercase, that is if the value of count is double equal to 0. This means that our string doesn't have any capital letters inside it, because this value will remain 0 only if there is no capital letter inside the string. Now we check the third case, if the first letter is capital. So we just check if count is equal to 1, that is we have only one capital letter, and character dot is uppercase, and inside the parenthesis we pass the first letter that we want to check. So in this case this will be G. So like this, word dot char at 0. So why 0? Because we only want to test the first letter whether it is capital or not. So now if this is the case, if any of these conditions satisfy, then we return true, else we return false. So I think we are done with our code. Let's check it. Yes, it is accepted. When we run this code, we see that it is very fast, and our time complexity in this case is only O of n, because we are only running one loop. So this is it for today. This is a very easy problem. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it, and if you want me to solve any of the problems, please comment it below. Thank you.